Yeah, I just want you to be able to see, man, just how, and it's just not good for the engine, just how dirty it is. And I'm not sure, but this is literally all the dirt that I pulled out of just from the battery compartment. Like, yeah, like the before picture, you'll be able to see. You couldn't even see this white stuff, right? So I cleaned all that out, and that's pretty bad. That's most likely with the moisture, with all this dirt and everything. That's why these corroders so damn fast. You know, like I'm used to seeing this like at the third or fourth year when the battery's about to go bad. But for me to be like, hey, you know, you just changed the battery, and these are pretty much kind of new terminals. Like, yeah, no. You might want to check on like your gutters, because like even though you have gutters, like when it rains, all that crap you see on the edge, all this is what is amounting in there. Yeah, and so that, I think that's what we call that. But right now I'm about to, yeah. All right, and then back here, there's a ground right under the starter. That was pretty disgusting. Let me try to put a flash on here. So there's a ground right there, you know, for the engine and whatnot. It was really bad, like really fucking dirty. Excuse my language. Yeah, but I'm going in there cleaning it up. As you can see, like all that black crap, like I've been cleaning out all that crud. Like it's literally dirt. Alright, and so here's your starter. You see all that sludge on there? Here's a new one. Let's see what it does after the new one's in. So, alright, so we got batteries good, new terminals. I'll clean in there, new starter. Let me just open this up and let's check that choke plate real quick before I try to start it. Alright, that works. Alright, let's see what it does.